Oxford Reading Tree. The Odd Pet. Kim has a cat. Jim has a dog. But Rev has an odd pet. This is a zog. Not a cat, not a dog, but a zog. The zog is fat. It has 10 red legs. It can run and hop. It can sit and beg. The zog has lots of eggs. The zog sits on the eggs. It sits and sits. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Lots of eggs. Can I have a zog? Yes, but not yet. Can I have a zog? Yes, but not yet. Now Kim has a cat and a zog. Jim has a dog and a zog. And we have 10 zogs.